world, across the world. PSYNOS is here getting emotionally for all the scrubs, girl. Start the song. Summer uno girl does car road and don't live nowhere. And don't live nowhere. Remix. Summer uno walk this girl up there. A man yard every day. But don't live nowhere. My girl, stop borrow your friend clothes. Stop borrow your friend weave. Stop borrow your friend dentures. You are walkless girl. You dry head, you no look good. If when you have your friend or your mate head in, go your yard.
Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Morning. What's up, guys? Boy, PSYNOS coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, a long time I not do that, people. So yeah. Good morning. Today is Friday. Happy Friday to you. Happy Friday to you. Black girl, me tired. Yeah, so that shoot day was on Thursday. Wanna just see a whole heap of shoot. I must about 5 or 4 shoot I have left. One day of vlog, girl, I go drink some Milo, the food jigs of champion, and go and kick it back and thing. I hope you guys enjoying the vlog and thing. If no one I'm go boss it Tuesday, I just do that for you because I want to see that different side there. At Jamaica, and I know some fans love them things, but I couldn't make it too extreme, you see? Because you know YouTube, and YouTube did send me a message, but I do it for Uno. You know what I mean? So bust the place and things. So but there, when I go on journey with the boy, and I see me when I get ready and step out and touch the road. Touch the road, do whatever load. Yeah. So hopefully we can get some whole heap of trouble today. Yeah. But we have more shoots after this, even after today too. So go on journey the boy. Whoop.
Bruh.
Ooh, I go on vlog world. We're there. We're just building a vibe with the whole peeps up in the building. Today is Friday. So guys, we kind of start off late today because road manager getting a little accident. The car kind of mash up. Me not too want to show it, but we're there with the rest of the crew. Meet them up in the building. You know what I mean? Yeah, the car mash up. You know what I mean? Car really drive right now, but we're there with the part of the scene. We did it on the road at the bus stop. Yeah, we got kdan up in the building and the team. See the artists there in you, make them know yourself in you.
You know, it's the main,
Yeah.
Yeah, we are live, that's what I'm saying.
Live alone, you know.
Live.
Live, we do it.
But guess what? Vlog world, you know who they are? The Empress with a H. You know, and just actively just stressing on it. A whole heap of...
It make me feel like a king.
No, just as I was saying.
That camera actually really pretty.
No, sir. You can, no, sir. The Empress, that the superstar. Oh my God! Jesus. Yeah. Yeah, vlogger, so we're there. I just load vibe, guys. Yeah, so we want to go on the next set just to get the scene. We hungry, me hungry. Yeah, me hungry. Well, are we hungry? But we there, wait for the taxi. Hey boy, drive up the car, come now man, come link for you, see people hungry. Yeah. So right now we go downtown. We go up on the seaside. I will go shoot the Empress part right now. So we're just there. We're just gone there, build a vibes with the artists and everybody. That's it.
I'm ready for the Empress. I'm ready. Wonderful. How are you?
We have him the general for you. Yeah. Boy, yo, the general like it, but the general not like. Pull it. What did they do? You how do know? Yo!
But bad like a cartel song, yo, Chuck Star. Tell us I'm sweet like tambourine. I'm in the new to the girl thing.
Hey, stand, bing, bang, dang, bang, dang, bang, stand, bang, stang, dibby, dabba, debba, down, move down.
What go on vlog when we're there behind the scenes or outside the scenes and I do the thing. What go on, my friend?
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
She doesn't look like.
Sinjay alongside me. I say changes.
Yeah, man, one changes.
My love is spectrum in the element of life, dripping my offspring. Oh, say she no fight no fit this girl no bling. She need my loving, that's the greatest thing.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up. Head a rest for me shoulder, me and her rock on love.
Vlog world, we have somebody special here today. And she nice. She's a YouTuber. Put it on YouTube. Put it on YouTube. She go vex now. I mean, over happy she nice. She says she have a boyfriend, but I'm gonna be the matey. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, you know I see my YouTuber. I'm next wife, aka me be the mate. See you, yo. Good up. How are you? I drew my handsome and see she's shy. You know what I mean? She might look in my eyes and fall in love. I both say I know, can't say I.
Hey, honey.
See her there? So anyway, guys, for all you ladies who love the makeup and the nice thing, I'm going to provide the link right here. Head over by her page. And you go see, this is she hot, you know? Yo, if you think of the sun hot, all the moon want her number. All the moon want her number. Okay, I'm going to make sure, when she done and titivate her, or body date or something, you're going to go see all the hot things. Yo,
It's her birthday tomorrow, big up.
How you feel? How you feel?
How you feel? I feel nervous.
What make you feel nervous?
Because of my birthday.
What you trying to say?
I'm a broke.
Welcome to the club. Remember my last birthday? I never have nothing. Let me say, where are the KFC and Maroon? Yeah, go get money, man. God bless you. Can I get a wow?
Wow.
Nice hair.
Wow.
Blonde and ting.
Wow.
Nice lips.
Wow.
Bashment phone.
Wow.
Call the fire brigade. Get in the ambulance. Wow. Sir. That girl, she look good too. I like her. Yeah, the money I go come, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Anyway, vlogger, then just go and join your boy with us as they send out some positivity out there in the atmosphere. Whoop. Well, walk on. So pretty much, let me just get to it, vlogger. I get a message from YouTube about some stuff, right? I have to make some changes to the page. I'm gonna have to delete a lot of videos, vlogger, and some other stuff. This definitely affects sinus gaming and a lot of things. I don't want to go in too much detail for now. Yeah. My fault still, but I risk it for Uno so I can get the best in terms of entertainment. I not get no strike or none, so I'm not to worry for that. There's some other things go down, but I have to delete the Spice video them, the Spice birthday bash and some other little videos and thing. I'm kind of keep 1 and 2 videos still kind of risk it, but let me see if them they can go through because they weren't a problem before. Get an email and yeah, pretty much that's it. Pretty much just feel outright throw me off and heartbroken, you know, but we live and we learn. Yeah, but just don't want to share that with you and things, so I just there is it. Let's go on journey with your boy.
But bad like a cartel song, yo Chuck Star. Girl, you say me sweet like tambourine. I'm in the new to the girl thing, no. Christian girl can't stop singing.